Stop the perky just to start it. Stop the perky just to start it. I took off some purple just to warm it. Stop the perky just to start it. I took off some purple.
Hi, my name is Danielle. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I will be showing you how I do my makeup today and my edges and what do I use to grow my hair. I use this Jamaican black castor oil. You can find it at your local beauty supply. It was only $12.99. And I use this for my edges. It's called Edge Booster. And I'm going to be using this for my face. It's foundation. This is my first time using foundation. First I clean my face off before I put on my makeup. And I never used foundation before. So I don't have the scrub brush that you put on your face. So I'm gonna be using toilet paper. Don't judge me. Goodness. Okay. I think it go like that. All right. I think that's enough.
Tell me how to be closer to ya. Tell me how and I'll do it, babe. Cause I just wanna make you feel what I do about you. So just tell me how and I'll do it, babe. I love it when you whisper in my ear words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secret's safe with me. You're the only reason. Yes.
Don't worry. I'm gonna even it out.
Find a middle ground and get along. Someday, some way, we'll leave it all aside and move on. Just get along. Move on. Someday.
Okay.
Ay, coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again, yeah. State your name, been dope on flame. I just switched the lanes.
Okay. And then I just
tell me how to be closer to ya. Tell me how and I'll do it, babe. Cause I just wanna make you feel what I do about you. So just tell me how and I'll do it, babe. I love it when you whisper in my ear, words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secret's safe with me. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayers. Feeling like the world's in our hands. Now I know that this is meant to be. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason I am free. closer to ya. Tell me how and I'll do it, babe. Cause I just wanna make you feel what I do about ya. So just tell me how and I'll do it, babe. I love it when you whisper in my ear, words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secret's safe with me. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayers. Feeling like the world's in our hands. Now I know that this is meant to be. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason I'm free.
I glue it down, and when I took it off, I snatched the bald spot, so you can still see it, but this side is growing. In my next video, I'm gonna do, I bought this wig on Amazon, so I'm gonna do like an install on it and a review on it. And I'm going to tell y'all what I think about it.
Find a middle ground and get along. Someday, some way, we'll leave it all aside and move on. Just get along. Move on. Someday, someday.
So let me know, leave a comment if you want me to do a second video of my wig that I got from Amazon, so I can install it. And I'll be doing my makeup, and this time I'm gonna do a different lipstick. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Bye.